Welcome to Biology and Physical Development by Teacher's Domain. Today, we're going to learn about some basic body parts. This video is divided into two parts. In the first part, I will show you a body part and tell you its name. Listen carefully, and then, when I ask you, read the name out loud with me. In the second part, we'll play a fun and exciting game to see how many body parts you can remember. Let's go. Head. A head. This is a head. Let's read this together. Head. A head. This is a head. Ear. An ear. This is an ear. Let's read this together. Ear. An ear. This is an ear. Ears. Ears. These are ears. Let's read this together. Ears. Ears. These are ears. Eye. An eye. This is an eye. Let's read this together. Eye. An eye. This is an eye. Eyes. Eyes. These are eyes. Let's read this together. Eyes. Eyes. These are eyes. Nose. A nose. This is a nose. Let's read this together. Nose. A nose. This is a nose. Mouth. A mouth. This is a mouth. Let's read this together. Mouth. A mouth. This is a mouth. Shoulder. A shoulder. This is a shoulder. Let's read this together. Shoulder. A shoulder. This is a shoulder. Shoulders. Shoulders. These are shoulders. Let's read this together. Shoulders. Shoulders. These are shoulders. Arm. An arm. This is an arm. Let's read this together. Arm. An arm. This is an arm. Arms. Arms. These are arms. Let's read this together. Arms. Arms. These are arms. Elbow. An elbow. This is an elbow. Let's read this together. Elbow. An elbow. This is an elbow. Elbows. Elbows. These are elbows. Let's read this together. Elbows. Elbows. These are elbows. Hand. A hand. This is a hand. Let's read this together. Hand. A hand. This is a hand. Hands. Hands. These are hands. Let's read this together. Hands. Hands. These are hands. Finger. A finger. This is a finger. Let's read this together. Finger. A finger. This is a finger. Fingers. Fingers. These are fingers. Let's read this together. Fingers. Fingers. These are fingers. Thumb. A thumb. This is a thumb. Let's read this together. Thumb. A thumb. This is a thumb. Thumbs. Thumbs. These are thumbs. Let's read this together. Thumbs. Thumbs. These are thumbs. Belly. A belly. This is a belly. Let's read this together. Belly. A belly. This is a belly. Leg. A leg. This is a leg. Let's read this together. Leg. A leg. This is a leg. Legs. Legs. These are legs. Let's read this together. Legs. Legs. These are legs. Knee. A knee. This is a knee. Let's read this together. Knee. A knee. This is a knee. Knees. Knees. These are knees. Let's read this together. Knees. Knees. These are knees. Foot. A foot. This is a foot. Let's read this together. Foot. A foot. This is a foot. Feet. Feet. These are feet. Let's read this together. Feet. Feet. These are feet. Toe. A toe. This is a toe. Let's read this together. Toe. A toe. This is a toe. Toes. Toes. These are toes. Let's read this together. Toes. Toes. These are toes. Great job. Now, I'm going to show you a body part, like this. You have to use your finger, or your fingers, to point to the same body part on your own body, like this. Then, say it out loud. This is my eye. Ready? Let's go. This is my nose. These are my arms. These are my feet. This is my finger. This is my elbow. This is my eye. This is my leg. These are my eyes. These are my knees. This is my ear. These are my toes. This is my shoulder. This is my hand. This is my thumb. These are my ears. These are my shoulders. This is my mouth. This is my head. These are my fingers. This is my toe. These are my hands. This is my knee. This is my foot. These are my thumbs. These are my legs. This is my belly. These are my elbows. This is my arm.
Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, leave a comment, and thank you for your support.